video, we're going to talk about how to use array functions with average function. Array functions are useful for saving steps in mathematical operations. Therefore, you can easily combine array functions with other functions like average, maximum, minimum, count, and so on. In this video, we'll observe how to identify average gasoline expense per miles driven for 12 taxi. If we need to find average spent on gasoline for one taxi, the calculation is very simple. We just divide spent on gasoline by miles driven, we find our answer. However, for multiple taxi, in this example we have 12 taxi, this calculation will be a bit difficult and there will be numerous steps. However, we will solve this problem with a single function and with the second. Here we will use average function and put this average in array. So we put average, bracket start. What we need to divide? We will divide spent on gasoline by miles driven. The spent on gasoline cell starts from B3, C3 and it ends at C14. Just select the cell, enter press divide, and miles driven cell starts from B3, it ends at B14. Select the cell, close the bracket. Instead of just pressing enter, we press three key here, Control, Shift and enter, and we find average gasoline expense per miles driven for 12 taxi within a second. That's why we use array function in Excel. It saves time, it's easy. Applying this function is pretty useful. That's why we are going to cover this issue on this video. Thanks for watching.